We're going to show you how to put some of our Christie product small parts in today. We're going to show you how to take your barreled action out of your 1022 stock. We'll show you how to put the buffer, the mag release, and the auto bolt release in today. Some of the tools you're going to need is you're going to need a screwdriver to take your barrel band and your main stock screw out. You're going to need a little screwdriver. I'll show you what that's for later. Punch block, 1/8 pin punch pin is what I've got here, and a 3/16 and a small hammer. So let's go ahead and get started. So first thing we want to do is go ahead and make sure we're clear. We're clear, everything's good. Let's go ahead and take the barrel band off first. And we'll take the lead stock screw out. Safety in the center. Take the stock off. Okay, we want to go ahead and punch this pin and this pin out. We recommend that you drive pins left to right. So we want to go ahead and we want to rotate this over. We're going to start with our back pin and take my 1/8 punch. Lightly tap on it. Pull that pin out, set it aside. We're going to slide this a little forward here. Drive this pin out. I'm going to hold on to the trigger pack, pull this pin out, set it aside, and now we separated the trigger pack from the upper receiver. Okay, let's put the mag release in. So we'll set the barreled action aside. Start with the trigger pack. We want to drive this pin here. It holds the bottom of the bolt release and the pin for the mag release. While we're driving this out, we're going to start driving it out. While we're tapping on it, we want to make sure we hold that plunger in so that the plunger and the spring do not go flying. Pull your punch out. Mag release falls out and you removed the plunger. So we want to take our mag release, put the plunger in, mag release goes in with dog leg to the back. As you're putting the pin through, you're going to have to line up the hole for the bolt release. So you have to push on the bolt release, line up the hole. Now we're going to go ahead and show you how to reassemble. So we'll take the trigger pack, making sure the hammer's back, the ejector is down inside its slot. Line up the two holes and drop the pins in. You may have to tap them with a hammer. Mine just pretty much drop in. I'll just tap that in. Okay, get ready to put in the stock and make sure we put the safety in the center. Put it in an angle, drop it in. Put your hand on it so it don't fall out. Set down. Screwdriver, put in your main stock screw. And the barrel band. All simple.